If we had to guess what other animals eat based on their guts alone, we would say that this raccoon is a fan of salads. Look at that healthy diet. But these little guys are actually more into cheeseburgers, potato chips, and even ice cream. We know because they have been caught on camera stealing food from unsuspecting picnickers. The footage is so adorable it's hard to get mad even if your lunch has just been stolen. So grab your binoculars and take a peek into the wild world of thieving wildlife with us. Here are 20 hungry and fearless animals that love human food. Number 20. Bears. It seems like bears love everything. They have a pretty varied diet and they will not be shy about taking your food. They are strong enough to tear apart a garbage can in seconds, so don't expect them to turn down an offer for a midnight snack. Even though bears do eat berries, nuts, and fish, they also really enjoy cookies, donuts, and chocolate. In 2016, a hungry bear sneaked into a home and ate boxes of chocolates, dog food, and some cheese. If she could get her paws on a cheeseburger, we think she would do it. Number 19. Raccoons. Raccoons are one of those animals that seem to thrive in cities. They are nocturnal creatures that will rummage through your garbage cans looking for food. And while they might seem cute, raccoons can be dangerous. They are known to carry diseases such as rabies and leptospirosis. Not only that, but raccoons are excellent at getting into places they aren't supposed to be. If you have ever seen one, you know how clever and determined they are. Raccoons are also known to attack people, especially if they feel threatened or if there is food involved. Number 18. Possums. Despite their bad reputation, possums are beneficial to the ecosystem as they help control rodent populations by eating their eggs and young. They are mostly nocturnal and omnivorous, eating anything from small animals to fruits and vegetables. However, possums can develop a taste for human food, which can lead them into trouble. These guys can eat your pet food and will happily munch on your leftovers. They have been known to gnaw on electrical wires and garbage disposal units in search of food. Number 17. Monkeys. Monkeys are notorious for stealing food from humans, and they are particularly fond of sweets. They will happily snatch a banana from your hand and run off before you can even react. In some cases, monkeys have developed a taste for alcohol and will steal beer from unsuspecting tourists. A group of rhesus macaques in India became notorious for stealing and drinking alcohol from a local bar. The monkeys would enter the bar during the day when it was closed and drink the leftover alcohol from the previous night's patrons. One monkey was even seen staggering around the bar with a bottle of beer in his hand. Number 16. Squirrels. Squirrels are constantly searching for food, and they will happily raid bird feeders and garbage cans in order to get their paws on some snacks. They are particularly fond of nuts and seeds, but they will also eat fruit, vegetables, and even human food. If you leave your lunch unattended, squirrels will not hesitate to make off with it. Their nimble paws and bushy tails help them scamper up trees quickly, where they can stash their loot away from prying eyes. Number 15. Kangaroos. When it comes to kangaroos, size really does matter. The red kangaroo is the largest of all kangaroo species and is also the largest marsupial animal in the world. These muscular creatures are capable of hopping up to 30 miles per hour and can jump over 6 feet in a single leap. Despite their imposing appearance, kangaroos are herbivores and will not hesitate to help themselves to your picnic basket. They are particularly fond of sweet treats such as carrots, apples, and bananas. A group of kangaroos was filmed raiding a fruit and vegetable stall in Australia. The kangaroos hopped up to the stall and used their powerful paws to tear open the bags of produce. They were particularly fond of apples and oranges and made off with several pieces of fruit. Number 14. Pigs. Pigs are one of the few animals that will eat anything. They are scavengers by nature and will happily root around in the mud looking for food. Pigs are particularly fond of truffles, which they can sniff out with their keen sense of smell. They are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in fat or sugar. Pigs are intelligent creatures and can be trained to eat out of your hand. However, they can also be destructive if they are not properly supervised. Number 13. Deer. Deer are herbivorous mammals that are native to both the Old and New Worlds. There are over 50 species of deer alive today, ranging in size from the tiny mouse deer to the massive moose. Despite their size, deer are relatively agile creatures and can leap over fences and gates in order to get to your garden. They are particularly fond of tender shoots and will happily munch on your prize-winning roses. Deer are also known to eat human food, especially if it is left out in the open. Number 12. Elk. Elk are the largest members of the deer family and are native to Europe, Asia, and North America. These majestic creatures can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and stand over 5 feet tall at the shoulder. Despite their size, elk are relatively shy creatures and will avoid humans if possible. However, they are known to become bold if they are fed regularly. Elk are herbivores and will happily munch on your garden plants. They are particularly fond of alfalfa, clover, and soybeans. Number 11. Birds. Certain types of birds such as crows and seagulls have developed a taste for human food. They will happily scavenge around picnic areas and beaches looking for snacks. In some cases, birds have become aggressive in their pursuit of food, attacking people and stealing their lunches. There have even been cases of birds stealing food from grocery store parking lots. These birds are not only brazen, but they are also very clever. Number 10. Camels. Camels are well adapted to survive in hot, dry climates and are often used as a means of transportation in desert regions. They are known for their ability to go long periods without water and their tolerance for hot weather. However, camels are also known for being surprisingly picky eaters. They are primarily herbivores and will happily munch on your cactus garden. Camels are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in protein or fat. Number 9. Cattle. Cattle are large, hoof mammals that are domesticated for meat, milk, and leather. They are typically raised on farms and ranches where they are fed a diet of grass, hay, and grain. However, cattle are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of fruits and vegetables, and will happily munch on your garden if given the chance. Cattle are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in protein or fat. Number 8. Donkeys. Donkeys are sturdy, long-eared mammals that are related to horses and zebras. They are typically used as pack animals in hot climates and are known for their surefootedness and resistance to snake bite. However, donkeys are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of fruits and vegetables and will happily munch on your garden if given the chance. Donkeys are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in protein or fat. Number 7. Goats. Goats are curious, playful animals that are often kept as pets or on small farms. They are known for their distinctive bleating sound and their ability to climb trees with ease. However, goats are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of sweet treats such as apples and bananas and will happily munch on your garden if given the chance. Goats are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in protein or fat. Number 6. Chickens. Domestic chickens are a common sight on farms and in backyards around the world. They are typically raised for their eggs or meat, and are known for their clucking sound and their habit of scratching the ground for food. However, chickens are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of insects and worms, but will happily eat just about anything. In some cases, chickens have developed a taste for human food and will happily peck at your dropped crumbs. Number 5. Guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are small, furry mammals that are commonly kept as pets. They are native to the Andes Mountains in South America and are known for their squeaking sound and their habit of eating hay. However, guinea pigs are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of fruits and vegetables and will happily munch on your salad if given the chance. Guinea pigs are also known to eat human food, especially if it is high in fiber or vitamin C. Number 4. Dogs. Dogs are domesticated mammals that are commonly kept as pets or working animals. They are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and trainability, and are one of the most popular pets in the world. However, dogs are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of table scraps and will happily beg for your food if given the chance. In some cases, Dogs have developed a taste for human food and will happily eat your leftovers. Make sure to keep your food out of reach of your dog, as some human foods can be toxic to them. Number 3. Parrots. Parrots are colorful, long-lived birds that are native to tropical regions around the world. They are known for their intelligence, playfulness, and ability to mimic human speech, and are a popular choice for pet birds. However, parrots are also known for being surprisingly adventurous eaters. They are particularly fond of nuts and seeds, but will happily eat just about anything. In some cases, parrots have developed a taste for human food and will happily eat your leftovers. Number 2. Ants. Ants are small insects that live in colonies with other ants. They are known for their strength, determination, and ability to work together to achieve a common goal. However, ants can also be a nuisance, especially if they invade your home or workplace in search of food. Ants are attracted to sweet and greasy foods and will happily eat your cake or ice cream if given the chance. In some cases, ants have developed a taste for human food and will happily raid your pantry. Number 1. Mice. Mice are small rodents that live in both rural and urban areas. They are known for their ability to squeeze through small openings and their habit of hoarding food. However, mice can also be a nuisance, especially if they invade your home in search of food. Mice are attracted to sweet and fatty foods and will happily eat your chocolate or cheese if given the chance. In some cases, mice have developed a taste for human food and will happily raid your pantry. Which of these hungry and fearless animals did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos.